Unifor provides new generation photo beam detectors for pyramid security system. They adopt 4-channel frequency selectable frequency design, overcome crosstalk interference. Now in my hand is a pair of ABT dual beam photoelectronic beam detectors. Now I'm gonna open the cover to see its interior design. The detector adopts, as we see, the detector adopts IP65 waterproof resistor design, so it can work outdoor and indoor. To open the product, we just need to use a screwdriver. So after I remove the cover, we can see its interior design, and this is a beam receiver, and this is a transmitter. As we can see, the color of the field length is different. So the receiver's length has a black color coat, which can greatly field the white light, so it can avoid white light interference. The detector, and we can take closely for the detector, so it has rich terminals, and we can take close for the terminal receiver. We can see it has the power, alarm, heat, tempo. So comparing traditional photoelectric beam detectors, this detectors is able to connect heater when the detector operates under extreme low temperature, such as negative 20 Celsius degree. The detectors can turn on heat to maintain its temperature, so the detectors can work under extreme low temperature. The same as the receiver, the photo beam transmitter also has a terminal for connection of the heater. So on its side, we can see DIP switches. The DIP switches basically allows you to change the frequency of the infrared. It supports 4-channel selectable frequency. When we install the detectors, we need to match the receiver's frequency with the transmitter's frequency. Therefore, it will work, and will not be interfered by other photoelectric beam detectors. Moreover, the DIP switch allows users to select the interruption time or response time. So your installers are able to choose appropriate interruption time according to the detecting the speed of the moving up targets. For example, if you wanted to detect the climbing, slow moving objects, you just need to choose the 700 ms this value, and if you want to detect fast speed moving targets, you just need to choose the interruption time of 50 ms. And the detectors adopt a swivel design, so it's the lens component is able to horizontally rotate 180 degrees, and it also can support vertical adjustment by using the screwdriver. So you can using the screwdriver to fine-tune vertical angle. So we can see the changes of the lens rotation. And both transmitter, the lens component can be rotatable. So for example, if you install it, you can like this. So it works great. So on the back, we can see the lens component. Now I'm gonna open the receiver to check the inside design. So now, firstly, I'm gonna plug the terminal, so I'm able to disassemble it. And it's a terminal screwdriver. This main board connects to the lens component by a cable, so I unplug it, and now I can take it out. So this is the main board of the ABT series photoelectronic beam detectors. So I'm gonna like this, so I gotta focus. So we see the main board, it has a LED segment display. It displays the numbers of the performance of reception performance. For example, when it shows 9 digit line, it means the reception is very good. If it display 5, it means the reception is not good. If it shows digit 8, so it means normal. Reception is normal. So this function greatly helps installers to quick align the detectors. So it can achieve quick installation, reduce the cost. On the other hand, this is a relay. So it helps detectors to connect with other security devices such as alarm panel, video surveillance system, home automation system, etc. The main board has a voltage current regulator IC. This IC is designed to provide a stable power supply to the whole system. So most conventional photoelectronic detectors doesn't have this one. So the quality of the product is, this one is good. Additionally, we can see this is IC. This tiny IC is a microcomputer, so it is the brain of the main board. It offers many advantages. So the conventional photoelectronic detectors doesn't have a microprocessor. It only uses logic circuit, simple design for the product. So our product is more advanced than normal photoelectronic detector in market. Additionally, we can see there is a temperature sensor here. So here is a temperature sensor, so it can connect the temperature data of the environment. When the environment temperature degree is below 20 Celsius, negative 20 Celsius degree, the photoelectric beam detector will turn on the heat to maintain the inner temperature so that the detector can work even when encountering slowing or freeze weather conditions. Here is the temper switch. It helps the detectors from vandalism. So, and now comes to the, so this is the lens component. Inside there are two infrared diodes. I'm gonna screw it. So I remove it, I can see two diodes. On the back. So that's it. Thanks.